ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಸೊ ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಜೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಓದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಜೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಯು ಸಿ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. From the following ledger balance, 1/4/2014, ascertain. So ascertain nothing but the find out the problem. What are the finding for the problems? It means the opening capital fund. Opening capital fund ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ rupees 1 lakh ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅಸೆಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಇದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ rupees 1 lakh. Second one, grounds. So grounds also it is treated to the our asset value. So that is also transferred to the our balance sheet rupees 50,000 rupees transfer to the asset side for the value anta karitivi. So next again third one, sports materials rupees 19,500. So sports materials also it is a assets value. It is a transfer to the our balance sheet asset side of the value rupees 19,500. So next coming for cash in hand rupees 1,500. So cash in hand also it is a current asset. It will be transferred to the our balance sheet in asset side. So asset side will be amount column with rupees 1,500 rupees. So next one, investment. So investment is very important of the our business or firm. They compulsory they transfer to the our asset side of the our value. So amount of rupees 5,000 in asset side, asset rupees column ನಲ್ಲಿ 5,000 rupees ನ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಅಕ್ರೂಡ್. ಸೊ ಅಕ್ರೂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. accrued interest on investment. So the rupees 500. So it is this point is treated to the asset value. So taken by the asset side of rupees 500 because it is a accrued interest means nothing but how much when the investment of the our fund some amount will be received by the interest basis. So that amount will be transferred to the our balance sheet rupees 500 in the our asset side value. So next one coming for outstanding subscription rupees 1,000. So outstanding subscriptions also the balance sheet will be transfer about for asset side. So in case of advanced there in outstanding subscription means nothing but either 1/4/2014 will be started of the our balance sheet. In case of the 2014 and 15 coming for next point is there. So 14 and 15 is advance year. So advance year amount in outstanding subscription will be transferred to the liability side. So it is only for the outstanding subscription amount. So outstanding subscription rupees 1,000 rupees is transferred to the asset side of the balance sheet only. So next point, subscription received for the year. So very important, the concentrate to the our year only. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು 2014-15 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು 2014 ಬೇಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇಯರ್ 1/4/2014 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಬೇಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ 2014 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 15 ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೀಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 2,800 rupeesನ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. So next one, last one, prize fund. So any fund received by the our partnership or any case of the business will transfer to the our liability side. Either prize amount, either partnership, any materials fund or club funds, or in case of the sports funds also received by the liability side. So here also the received for the prize fund amount rupees 445,000 rupees is there. So 45,000 rupees will be transferred to the our liability side of the our amount is there. So this is the problems of dictations in the opening capital fund. Okay, you go to the solutions of the balance sheet, will transfer to the coming for question arises to the what are the or analyzing means nothing but opening capital fund. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ opening capital fund ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬಹಳ ಅವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರಾಗಿಂದ ಓಕೆ ಯು ಡೂ ಟು ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಆನ್ 1/4/2014 1/4/2014 ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟನ್ನು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸು rupees, assets rupees. There are 4 columns opened by the balance sheet. So make it for 1 by 1 liabilities rupees, assets rupees ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 1 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಟೇಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ rupees 1 lakh. ಸೊ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದಂತೆ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಟೇಕನ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. So buildings, so value of rupees 1 lakh, value of rupees 1 lakh. So second one ground, so grounds also treated for our balance sheet in asset value. So take for the asset side, so grounds, so ground value of rupees 50,000, value of rupees 50,000. Next third one sports materials. So sports materials also balance sheet will be treated to the transfer of asset side. So rupees 19,500. So sports materials, so 19,500. So 19,500. So next cash in hand. So cash in hand, it is a current asset, either cash in hand or cash at bank. So amount of rupees 1,500. That is also the transfer to the balance sheet of asset side. So cash on hand, cash on hand, rupees 1,500, 1,500. Next one investment. So investment, it is also fixed asset, it is a transfer to the balance sheet of asset side. So take for the investment, so investment rupees 5,000, rupees 5,000. Next coming for accrued interest on investment rupees 500. So accrued interest received by the investment, it is also transferred to the balance sheet of asset side. So make for accrued interest, accrued interest on investment, interest on investment rupees 500, rupees 500. Next one outstanding subscription rupees 1,000. So outstanding subscription received amount for the, it is also the balance sheet transfer to the asset side. Make for point is outstanding subscription, outstanding subscription, outstanding subscription. Amount of rupees value is 1,000, amount of rupees 1,000. So point next subscription received for the year of 2014 and 15. So you see this point is a problem. So make it for the we are started for the analyzing by the balance sheet for the opening capital fund ascertained by the 1/4/2014. But here outstanding subscription received by the amount of rupees 28,000, 2,800. So 2,800 received for the amount is 2014 and 15. But 14 and 15 is the advance year or next year. That amount will be transfer of the balance sheet is the liability side. ಓಕೆನಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ 2014-15ನಲ್ಲಿ 2800 ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು 2014 ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ 2014-15ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅದು ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಂದರೆ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೇಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್, subscription received for the year 2014 and 15, that is by the advance amount. So amount of value 2800. So next one, prize fund. So prize fund also, it is a fund, it is treated by the balance sheet of liability side, rupees 45,000, rupees value of rupees 45,000. It is also transferred to the liability side. Prize fund. Prize fund rupees 45,000. 45,000. Okay, over the problem of opening capital fund. Do it for the opening capital fund for the balancing figure. Close the balance of total 1/4/2014 in close the liabilities and asset value. Both side will be closed off, same assets and liabilities. So you see the total value of assets. Total value of assets is coming for total rupees 1,77,500. 1,77,500. Both side 1,77,500. So make it balance of remaining balance is opening capital fund. Opening capital fund. That is, that amount will be treated for balancing figure. So balancing figure, remaining amount is transferred to the value of, so 1,77,500. So balance of remaining value 45,000 plus 2,800. So 47,800. 47,800. Remaining balance of value 1,29,700. 1,29,700. 1,29,700 will transfer of the balancing figure. 1,29,700. So this is the transfer of the value of amount. Transfer of the amount, the both side will be same, 1,77,500, 1,77,500. The transfer of the total value, which side is the, whichever is higher amount. So almost all the higher amount of the transfer to the asset side, but remaining balance of the transfer to the opening capital fund. ಹೌದಾ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಸರ್ಟೇನ್ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 1,77,500, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 45,000 plus 2,800. So 47,800. So 47,800 for the deductions of the value. So remaining balance is 1,29,700. So that amount will be transferred to the opening capital fund or treated to the capital fund values. So this is the problems of asking by the 6 marks questions of the very important of the annual examination purpose. So do it for the very easily and carefully and very hardly and very simply also. They asking by the questions also, they be carefully observation by the either liabilities or assets of the values. Next, problem number 3, non-profit organization ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಅಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ದಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಅಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ದಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ from the following particulars for public library ascertain or find out opening capital fund for the year beginning of 1/4/2014. So beginning nothing but the opening of the year. So 1/4/2014 is the opening of the year. So make it for the problems by one. So either balance sheet, prepare the balance sheet in case of liabilities of the values, or otherwise for the assets of the value to the transfer of the money or amount. So take for one by one. First one, building rupees 1 lakh. So building value is rupees 1 lakh, will be transfer of the balance sheet in the asset side. Means it is a building is fixed asset, which purpose is the compulsory transfer of the asset side rupees 1 lakh. So second one, investment. So investment of rupees 25,000. So 25,000 investments also balance sheet, the transfer of the asset side, because it is also one of the fixed asset, the transfer of amount of value in 25,000 in asset side. So next, outstanding creditors for expenses rupees 2,000. You see outstanding credit. So outstanding creditors, it is also one of the credit amount of the outstanding value. Otherwise for outstanding salary, outstanding rent, outstanding wage, someone for outstanding values, it is treated for balance sheet of liability side. So it is outstanding creditors for expenses amount rupees 2,000 will be transfer of balance sheet in liability side rupees 2,000. So next point, library books. So library books of rupees 20,000. So library books of 20,000, it is also the treated of the asset to transfer of our balance sheet in the asset side rupees 20,000. The next one, furniture. So you see furniture also fixed asset. So the transfer of the balance sheet in the asset side of the value. So next one, outstanding subscription. Only for issued by the outstanding subscription, amount of rupees 2,000. So that amount also transfer of our balance sheet in the asset side rupees 2,000. So in case of advanced outstanding subscription issued in year of something next year, the 14 and 15, or advance amount is received, it is a treated or a transfer to the liability side. But here no advance amount or no advance of our mentioned in the problem. That is only for outstanding subscription rupees 2,000. It is transferred to the asset side of the balance sheet only. Next, rent receivable. So rent receivable rupees 1,000. So that is also rent receivable amount transferred to the asset value, that is to the balance sheet of asset side. So next, cash on hand and cash at bank. So that is also transferred to the current asset. Cash in hand or cash at bank is the current asset. So 500 rupees cash on hand, it is the balance sheet of asset side rupees 500 in cash on hand. So second one, cash at bank. So balance sheet on asset side, cash on hand rupees 4,000. So cash on bank rupees 4,500 rupees will be mentioned. Okay, you go to the problems you started for the solution. So open the balance sheet as on 1/4/2014 of public library. So public library. So open the 4 columns. First one, liabilities, rupees, asset and rupees column. So wait for one by one. Point number problem, the point number 1. So buildings rupees 1 lakh. So building rupees 1 lakh. Take by the asset side of the value, buildings rupees 1 lakh. So second one, investment. Investments also it is a fixed asset. Take for the asset side investments. Investment. So value of rupees 25,000. 25,000. Next, coming for third one, outstanding creditors. Outstanding creditors for the expenses rupees 2,000. It is also transferred to the liability side. So outstanding creditors for expenses rupees 2,000. So next one coming for public books. So library books of rupees 20,000, that is also asset side of the value. Library books rupees 20,000. So next furniture rupees 7,000. So furniture also asset side of the value to the fixed asset. So furniture rupees 7,000. Next outstanding subscription rupees 2,000. So it is also asset side. Outstanding subscription rupees 2,000. So next one, rent receivable 1,000. Rent receivable rupees 1,000. Next, current asset, cash on hand, cash at bank. Current asset, cash on hand rupees 500. Second one, cash at bank rupees 4,500. Cash at bank rupees 4,500. Okay, over the problem, cash in hand and cash at bank. It is cash on hand 500, cash at bank 4,500. Over the problem, so make it for the close the balance of both side, liabilities and assets. So both sides for the same value. So count the value of asset side. So asset side value of total is 60,000. 1,60,000. 1,60,000. 1,60,000. Both side 1,60,000. So make it for 1,60,000. Deductions of the value of 2,000. Remaining of 1,58,000. 1,58,000. So coming for 1,58,000, opening capital fund. Opening capital fund. 1,58,000 is opening capital fund. So both side 1,60,000, 1,60,000. So here the problems of asking by the very important of the either 6 marks question. So do it or find it or ascertain the problems of opening capital fund. So opening capital fund, they open the balance sheet of liabilities, rupees, assets and rupees. What are the items of either liability side or asset side? They concentrate to the overall points only. So this is for the problems of libraries, public libraries. Next, problem number 4. Same opening capital non-profit organization ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 marks ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೂಡ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ 1/4/2013. ಸೊ 1/4/2013 ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ದಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡ್. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 1 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ rupees 70,000. ಸೊ ಫರ್ನಿಚರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫಿಕ್ಸಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ rupees 70,000. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಸೊ rupees 2,000. ಸೊ ಎನಿ ಔಟ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್, in case of outstanding expenses, outstanding salary, outstanding wages, outstanding any outstanding expenditure will be transferred to the balance sheet of liability side, take the amount of rupees 2,000. So next one outstanding subscription rupees 3,000. Outstanding subscription rupees 3,000, it is also the balance sheet transfer to the asset side. So rupees 3,000 rupees. So next one, building. So building also fixed asset. So transfer of the balance sheet in asset side. So amount of transfer value rupees 40,000 in the asset side. So next one, subscription received in advance. So you see, subscription received in advance. Advance is nothing but a next year advances. Means 2013 and 14 for the next year advance amount also received. So rupees 4,000, that is also transferred to the balance sheet of liability side, because it is a advance amount of any advance amount transferred to the liability side, but outstanding in subscription only amount of received treated to the asset side. So next, tournament fund. So any tournament fund amount also received to the our balance sheet or non-profit organization. It is a compulsory must and should for the transfer about for the balance sheet in the liability side. So tournament fund rupees 35,000 will be transferred to the liability side. In case of tournament expenses is there, the deductions of the value of tournament fund. So for example, tournament fund ಅಲ್ಲಿ tournament expenses ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಮುಂದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು 5,000 ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇತ್ತಂದರೆ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತು. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್, ದರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಫ್ liability side of the balance sheet only. Next one, cash on hand rupees 3,000. Cash on hand rupees 3,000. It is also transferred to the, it is a balance sheet of asset side, because it is a ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 3,000 ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾಸೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಸೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟೋಟಲಲ್ಲಿ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ದೇ ಓಪನ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಆರ್ 1/4/2013. So beginning of 1/4/2013 they started of the our business or balance sheet. So balance sheet will be started off liabilities, rupees, assets and again rupees column. There are 4 columns will be started. So make it for problem for one by one. Number 1, furniture rupees 70,000. Okay, furniture rupees 70,000 asset side. Furniture rupees 70,000. So next one, second one, outstanding expenses ಇದೆ. So outstanding expenses it is treated for liabilities. Outstanding expenses rupees 2,000. Next one, outstanding subscription ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Outstanding subscription transfer to the asset side. Outstanding subscription rupees 3,000. Rupees 3,000. Next, building. So building also fixed asset. So make it for asset side. Buildings value rupees 40,000. Rupees 40,000. Next, subscription received in advance rupees 4,000. So advance amount for the next year amount transfer to the balance sheet of liability side. Subscription received in advance, value of rupees 4,000. Value of rupees 4,000. Next one, tournament fund rupees 35,000. So it is also balance sheet liability side. Tournament fund so rupees 35,000. Next one, cash on hand rupees 3,000. It is a current asset transfer to the balance sheet of asset side. Cash on hand rupees 3000. Next, last one, cash at bank rupees 4000. Cash at bank rupees 4000. Right, close the balance of both side, liability side, asset. Liabilities and asset, close the balance both side, total balance of asset side, whichever is higher amount, the first will calculation to the asset side value. So make the first one, so 73,000 on the 40, so 1,13,000, 1,13,000, 1,16,000, 1,20,000. So amount of rupees 1,20,000, both side 1,20,000. So 1,20,000 of the asset side, that amount will be transfer of 1,20,000. So make it for remaining balance of opening capital fund. Opening capital fund. So that amount will transfer about for the balancing figure. So you see 1,20,000 deductions of the value 35,000, so 39,000, again 2,000, total value is 41,000. So 41,000, so deductions of the value, remaining value of 79,000, 9, total 79,000 of the amount of the value. So make it for opening capital fund 79,000. 79,000. So this is the amount of the transfer to the our balance sheet in the opening capital fund. ನೋಡಿ, ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡನ್ನು ಕಂಡಿಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ನ ಅಥವಾ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಬೇಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯಾವುದು ಅಸೆಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ, ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಂದರೆ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸು ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸು ಅವನ್ನ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ find out by the opening capital fund. So opening capital fund after the transfer of assets, so total whichever its side is the higher of the our amount. So in case of 1,20,000 of the asset side value, but here 41,000 of the liability side. So whichever is higher, 1,20,000 is higher of asset side. So 1,20,000 deductions of the value of 41,000. So 41,000 deduction, remaining value of the total value is 79,000. So that 79,000 is the opening capital fund. It is for transfer to the balancing figure anta karita bartivi. Idannu total madida 1,20,000 and 1,20,000 will be tally of the balance of opening capital fund or balance sheet as 1/4/2013.